So if I want to count how many countries I'm actually selling to, so I need to know if I'm selling to one country, 10 countries, or 30 countries. I need to perform this calculation. Now, the difference between count and count A is the nature of the information in each cell. So if I have numerical information, I'm going to use count. If I have alphabetical information, such as those, I'm going to use count A. With countries, it's letters, right? So I'm going to use equal count A, and again, Control Shift all the way down, close it, enter. The problem is what? It's going to count not the number of countries, but the number of transactions that includes countries. What if I want only the unique countries? It means if Canada, for example, appears in 600 cells, I want it to be counted as only one because that's the same name repeated more than once. So I instead of just putting the cells, I'm gonna put unique, and then I close parentheses. That's it. Count A, open unique, open parentheses. I choose the database that I want to find the unique information in it, and then two parentheses just to close both. And then I press enter. It's going to give me you have 18 countries in total. So if I want to do that, let's say also for the mini markets, I want to know how many types of customers I have. So instead of writing the formula again, I can just paste, copy, paste, Control C, Control V.